We're right here in front of the dead tree. It's falling, first of all the way over. Hey guys, we have today a Mickey and a Minnie. And we got these at Walmart when they still had inflatables. Now they're almost all gone, or they all are gone. We also have this pirate ship. This one we got at Home Depot. So excited about this one. It's called the Shivering Timbers. Alright, so let's unbox the Mickey and the Minnie, and then we'll show you what those look like, and then we'll show you what the pirate ship looks like. Aaron doesn't want to come outside because he's cold.
That's fine. I know he's been under that blanket since we got him.
So far you can see the Mickey, sorry. He's got like peppermints on his shirt. Alright, we're gonna put on the plug. Woo, there he goes. There was a little bit of a delay with him turning on. I thought it wasn't gonna work, and there's no way to replace him. There you go. So these are our 5-footers. He's holding a little wreath. How cute is that? And the wreath has a bow. He's wearing a Santa hat and his signature gloves. Look at his little costume. It's like a tuxedo. It's a Christmas tuxedo. Very cute. All right, so up next is Minnie. Woo, another delay. Here is Minnie. I love when they put shoes on her like this. They're so cute. Hi, Minnie. All right, so Minnie's holding a present, I think, for Mickey, and her dress is rising up. You can see her bloomers down there. It looks like she is wearing high heels. Look, almost like a little bit of a lift. Well, a little bit. This is the back of Minnie. You can see she's got a green bow. And we'll fix her dress. Pretty stable, even though the ground is sloped. And here she is. Alright, so let me show you the back of Mickey because I didn't. So we're going to put these guys here on the side. Then next we're going to unbox the pirate ship. Alright, there are the anchors and the plug. He does have a base fan, so there's no assembly with the plug required.
I can put them right here.
Awesome. So we're gonna see what this guy looks like. I'm excited to see this one. They didn't really have a good display at Home Depot like they did, but they were all on top. You can't really see them that well. I like them better when they're like at home on the floor, not on the very top of the shelf. Yeah, this one was an okay price, compared to the prices at Home Depot this year. They were pretty bad. There you go. Super fast ship. Oh wait, I think I'm on the wrong side. I'm on the wrong side.
Oh yeah.
Here we go. You can see the mast is inflating. There it goes. Oh, there's a cannon.
Big. Wow, it's really long.
All right, look at it. It looks awesome. I love that it has the warm lighting. All right, let's take a look at this ship. So first we start off here with this thing that usually has mermaids on it. I don't know what it's called, but you can stab sharks with it, I think. I think there's an anchor right there. You can see that there's icicles on the ship. There's a gift there. There's Pirate Santa. He's got this cool pointy beard, and he had an accident. The helm. Oh, the helm. So this is called a helm, and it's right here. It's like he's got his little hand near it, like he's driving. Here is a pirate penguin. He's on top of a cannon ready to blow away anyone that does not have Christmas spirit. And here's another pirate. This one is a reindeer. How cute. So up here on the mast, you could see there's a snowman. He's got he's the lookout. Yeah, he's looking out for icebergs, I guess, because look at all the ice around the ship. There's the name, Shivering Timbers. And it also comes with a tree. How beautiful is this inflatable? I really like it. So we're thinking about putting it there by the bushes, but we're not sure yet. So we'll set up the inflatables and we'll show you what they look like when it's darker. Look right here in front of the dead tree. It's falling, first of all the way over because of the slope, but you can see the base fan right there. Yeah, it's a good view of the base fan. All right, so the little metal anchors are pretty much useless. I mean, they'll work, but not, maybe this 5-footer is a little bit too big. And there's also a slope, so we are not going to use these. We're going to use the thicker ones. And these have like a way you can step on them. And these anchors work pretty good where you don't even have to use the tethers on there, because it is a lot of work to set them all up. And if you don't need tethers, then we don't put them on because it's a lot to do. I love you, Minnie. You're so cute. Mickey is leaning back a little bit, so we might tether him depending on how he reacts to a little bit of wind. But you know, if you manufacture inflatables, you should put more tethers on the bottom. That would be helpful, right, Mickey? All right, for the bigger inflatables, we use these long nails that we got at Lowe's or Home Depot. Just big long nails. And it's better to use the ones that have like the screw part in them. Just stick them in there and then we'll tether them at an angle. Alright, so it looks like the mast is hanging back a lot. So I don't know why it's doing that.
Oh, look. It says burr.
Burr. Like it's not, like it keeps leaning back, look.
Maybe it's the wind?
Maybe it is the wind. I mean, we can tether it here and then see what it looks like.
Starting to rain.
Alright, so this is where we ended up tethering the pirate ship. Check them out. I like that little penguin on top. Alright guys, so we have one casualty. We can see here the Grinch does not have any lighting in there. But you can see, you see that light there? So I don't know what's going on, if there's one further up that's not there. So we're just gonna open him and see what's up. We're gonna try to be quick because it's kind of drizzling. Yeah, see there's a light there, but I don't know what's going on. This one, you see right here there's a light, and it's out. So we're gonna try to see. The camera keeps going out of focus, sorry.
Oh, this one doesn't have those lights like the other one does.
Yeah, well let's see what it is. Hey, where were you?
Inside.
You were inside, you didn't want to be outside?
Yeah, I just wanted to chill.
We were looking at this Grinch that's not lit up, so we're gonna see what's wrong with it. What do you think, Aaron?
Look at Santa.
He's cute, right? Look at this guy on top. He's like a pirate lookout.
Yeah.
Cool, right? Yeah.
Oh, look, there's a present. Wait. Okay.
Yeah.
There's a rocket.
So do you approve or you don't approve?
I love it.
So they are like little LEDs. It's really hard to see because it doesn't show up on camera.
No, it's bright.
It's like a single LED light. All right, I guess
We're gonna have to replace it.
he's gonna have to be replaced. Sorry, Grinch. I wish they would make the lights easily replaceable.
Yeah.
I guess they do it on purpose.
Yes, I have to buy more.
Yeah.
Not like we're complaining.
And we are gonna replace him with Snoopy. And we'll show you what that looks like in a minute. All right, guys. So Snoopy's not working at all. I don't know why he's not working. I even changed the plug. So we'll choose a different one. Alright guys, so we're gonna put the elf on the shelf. So we're gonna put him right here in this spot. See what he looks like. Alright, he works.
Does he?
Yeah, he's turning on. Alright, so we're gonna anchor him and I'll show you what he looks like. Alright, so the elf on the shelf is up. Hopefully he lasts. Well, let me know what you guys think of this one. So I was hoping Daddy wouldn't notice that this light is a little dim, but he noticed. Wow. So now he wants to take them down. So we're gonna put something else here. All right, third time is the charm. So far he's on. So far he's got a pretty good light.
Oh yeah, he's good.
So you can see it's Scooby Doo. And of course we've featured this one before. He's got a wreath around his neck and he's got antlers on top of his head. So we're gonna tether him down, then I'll show you what he looks like. Alright, so Scooby is up. So far so good. He's looking good. And you know, it'll never be really that dark here because of the light that's there forever. So there. Alright guys, so I hope you like our new inflatables we put out. I want to know which one is your favorite. I love the pirate ship. And if you love the pirate ship, which character is your favorite? Mine is that guy up there. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. And I'm going to blast you. Bye.